In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge cells in Notion. We'll start right in your browser. Open the Notion website and head into your workspace. Once you're there, create a fresh place to work by clicking New Page. Give your page a clear, descriptive name so you can find it later. A short title that reflects the data you're working with is perfect. Next, add a table to the page. In Notion, this is a database table, which gives you columns and rows to organize information. Click to insert a table and open it up. Now begin entering your data. You can type directly into each cell. Press Tab to move across columns and press Enter to jump to the next row. Add as many entries as you need. Notion tables can handle plenty of rows, and you can always come back to expand your dataset. Once your table is populated, look for the three dots menu. You'll find this menu associated with the table, typically in the top right area of the database block. Click those three dots to open the options. From the menu, choose Ask AI. This brings up Notion's AI assistant, which can help you reshape your table content. In the Ask AI prompt, type the instruction, merge columns, and press Enter. What this does is tell Notion's AI to combine the information from your columns into a merged result. Depending on your data and how your table is set up, the AI may consolidate the values into a single column or otherwise unify column content so it's easier to work with. You should see the change reflected directly in your table. If your table has specific columns you want merged, you can make your prompt more explicit, for example by naming the columns you want combined. Clear, direct wording helps the AI understand your intent. If the first result isn't exactly what you expected, try rephrasing the prompt with more detail. You can also use standard undo if you want to revert the change and try again, so you don't have to worry about losing your original data. That's the process from start to finish. Open Notion on the web, create a new page with a helpful name, insert a table, enter your data, open the three dots menu, select Ask AI and prompt it with merge columns. With that flow, you can quickly tidy up your table and bring scattered pieces of information together in one place. Take a moment to explore how the merged result looks, and when you're satisfied, you're all set.